Hello everyone, I am Ahana Sharma back with a new topic, data types. So today we are going to learn about the data types in Python. So data types, there are integers type numbers, floating point numbers, complex numbers. To store more values in a variable, we use list, tuples, dictionary, and sets. So these are all the values. First I need for Python. Okay. Now let's give the heading data types heading. Okay, and then run. So we will write a as a variable and then store value 34 and then print a, and to know the type of this value in the a, we will write print type a in the brackets. So we will get the class. First we have written print a, so we have got the answer 34, and then the value means the type is integers. Integers are the numbers like 56, 78, 0, 9, 6, 5. All the numbers, all the whole numbers, they are known as the integers. So now let's move on. Let's write b as a variable and then use write 23.456. 23.456. So print b, and then to know the type, print type b, execute, and then we have got our value of the b, 23.456, and then the class means the type is floating point numbers. The decimal numbers that we have learned in the maths. So in the Python language, it is called the floating point numbers. Okay. So now let's make the variable c with the value apple, and this is print type. Okay, sorry. First c and then print c and then print type c. So we have got the apple, and then the class is string. A sentence or a word is known as a string. So we can try with a sentence also, like apple is juicy. Juicy. Wait a minute. I was writing sweet. Okay. So like this is a sentence, so we can make it more bigger. Like it, lemon is sour. Like this, it's a big sentence. Now then print d and then print type d. So apple is sweet, lemon is sour. Then this is the class is string, as we can see here. Now over here we have stored a single value in all the variables, like a34, b 23.456, then c apple, d apple is sweet, and like that. So to store multiple values in a single variable, we use lists, tuples, and dictionary and sets. So we will learn about over here a little bit introduction about the list and the tuples, because they I need to be understand in a particular day. Okay, so now let's see how we can make a list and a tuple. So we will make a variable e, and then square brackets, put square brackets, and then store multiple values like 1 to 9, the numbers, and then print e, and then print type e. So we have got over here list, a list. This is a list. Okay, now if we write the same code over here, suppose like this. Okay, like this, and over here is f, and over here also f. Okay, so we have stored 1 to 9 numbers in round brackets. So this will give us the result as a tuple. This is called a tuple. But if we just do it as this without the round brackets also, if we store many values, so it will give change the variables first. It is also known as a tuples. Tuple, a tuple without round brackets or with round brackets, it's a tuple. Okay, so today we have learned about the data types. First is integers, second is floating point numbers, third strings, fourth lists, and fifth tuples. So this is it for today. Thank you. Let me bring new topics for you.